Hi guys, it's time to release the first birds into their new natural environment, the aviary. After 2 weeks of quarantine, the birds showed no indication of disease and were ready to be released. In the last couple of weeks, I visited several different local breeders to select the birds for my aviary. I always get my birds from different breeders to increase the diversity in the gene pool, so I start with a healthy population. I released the birds on a nice day with no rain or hard winds and always early in the morning to make sure that the birds could get to know their new environment before the nightfall. The 2 female Chinese button quails from the first nest of this year are the first to inhabit the aviary. Later they will be joined by the new quails of the recent nest. And it seems that they are impressed by their new spacious environment, in which they can forage and find shelter and maybe even build a nest. Next, a female starfinch was released, one of my own breed. I still need to find a male so they can start a family of their own. Following, 2 owl finches are added into the aviary. Because it's hard to determine the gender for this species, and because they are still young birds, I hope we have a male and female. We have to wait till next year to know for sure. The last additions for today are 3 Gouldian finches, 1 white-chested female, 1 white-chested male and a purple-chested female. But first, it's time for a fun fact. I still want to add another golden finch and a male starfinch to the aviary. Just recently I found a good companion for one of the golden finches, but first he has to go through the quarantine period. I will show you his introduction in another video. I hope they enjoyed the large aviary with all the natural elements. There were no fights between the birds, although of course in the first days a couple of encounters took place to establish a pecking order. From now on, more videos will follow about the course of events happening in the aviary. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Please comment below what you think of the fun facts appearing in the latest video. And remember, stay happy, and always love your birds. See you in the next video. Bye bye!